How we going, guys? Neon EUC, this time with a different review of the Sahara P35 gaming PC case. Now the reason why I chose this one is it's pretty much on a whim, to be honest. Just going through the website and I saw this come down to £40. Fantastic. Usually resells at £80, so I thought, well, half price, why not? Now what really drew me to it as well, not only is it the price, but it's the fact that it's got RGB capability fans, which you're going to see in a minute. Plus what I really love about it the most is it's got a glass panel side and a glass panel front, so you can really see inside the case and see the RGB fans work. So I just got delivery right now. I'm going to unbox it and yeah, I'll transplant my old PC from one case into this new one and we'll go from there. Okay, so just going to open up and let's just see how good it's been packaged. Alright, nice. Okay, so we've got the good old fashioned fragile. You know, I hate when they do this, when they put one box in another. It's just so much simpler just to rip it open. Well, I'll say that. So, you know, that is really quite cool. I like the way they do that game case. I was not expecting that, if I have to be honest. Kind of just hope it's the right case inside it now. So be very careful. Open it up. Oh wow, okay. So this. Oh wow. Okay, so this is what it comes with, the RGB lights. And it also comes with the remote. Now you do get 4. Now considering that this is basically £40 for the case and you get the 4 lights. I mean each light's worth £7 in itself. And the case, yeah, from £80 down to 40 for that flash deal, fantastic. Now I do have 5 more lights because it can take up to 10 lights. So I thought might as well deck the whole thing out. Plus I've got the CPU light as well. So this is my old PC case. Really nothing wrong with it, but I just wanted the window to be just that tiny bit bigger. So I just actually it's got a little bit of a crack in there anyway, to be honest, and a slight dent there. I think it's time. I've had it for 2 years, my first PC build, and I just wanted a better case. Now inside, whoa, look at that dust in there. Okay, I'm gonna need a bit of a clean up on that one. Okay, so gonna take out the MSI graphics card, obviously the motherboard, keep the RAM in there. Gonna swap the CPU fan over for a different one. PC just built. Quite liking it at the moment. Took a long time, a few hours to do. Clean up a few things. Loads of swearing. I think I taught the school kids next door a few swear words. It was stressful, but yep, like it, and just gonna muck around with it now. Okay, so all fans are now installed, and let's see what it looks like during the day with the case on. Wow. There's 10 fans. 3 at the front, 2 at the top, 2 right here, and 3 down here. Absolutely fantastic. And of course we can just change the colours to any one we want, and it all works in well, altogether, to be honest. Absolutely gorgeous. So now we're going to just see what it looks like with the case glass panel on as well. And there we have it with the glass panel on. So it's really quite nice, to be honest. Obviously, it's going to get a lot better when it's darker. So that's when we're really going to see how it really goes, to be honest. But I'm really impressed with it. Absolutely love it. I often think that you have to see in person. Okay, so that was the daytime test with the fan lights. As you see, it's plain dark. The only red bits you can see is from my graphics card. So I'm now going to turn this on. Look at that. It lights up so well, doesn't it? Fantastic. Now about the fans as well. You can't hear it. And it's running idly. So I will turn it on full blast. And this is as noisy as it's going to get. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's as noisy as it gets. Such a massive difference. And of course, like I said, you've got loads and loads of options to choose on what you want to do. Loads of lights. Like I said before, guys, it really does come in its own once you've actually seen it in person. Video footage doesn't do it justice. And there you go. Like I said, you can just hold and pause any part of the activity on the fan lights, on the LED, halfway through, anytime you want, and then unpause it like I said before. Okay, so I think it's fair to say that I'm actually impressed with the case in itself. Now it does have 2 USB 2 ports and 1 USB 3 port, plus a headphone jack and a microphone jack, and a reset button, and of course you can change the lights by either the remote or by pressing the button on the actual case itself. Now I do want to say a big thank you to 2 people actually. One of them is Yorkies Bits and Bob's Home Tech, who actually helped me quite a lot when it comes to setting the fans up, and also to Jay and his colleague at Sahara Gaming. Now they actually helped me on eBay trying to fit the CPU fan. I had a bit of problems, still quite new at building, but they was texting me until 10 o'clock at night on eBay messaging, and they got back in touch first thing in the morning, and I got the CPU fan fitted perfectly, all thanks to them. So guys, I will leave a link in the description to these 2 people that I've just mentioned. So leave thumbs up if you liked it, leave thumbs down if you didn't, subscribe if you haven't already, and I've got more videos if you like this kind of content, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks guys, cheers.